Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever hit that frustrating wall in Google Sheets where you can't edit a certain area or full sheet because it's protected, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to identify and delete protected ranges or protected sheets as long as you have edit access. This is a super handy skill, whether you're collaborating on a team project or cleaning up your own files. Let's get straight to it. First things first, you need to figure out what kind of protection you're dealing with. Is it a cell range or is it an entire sheet? This is important because deleting a protected range works just a bit differently than deleting a protected sheet. When you click on a protected area, if it's a cell range, you'll see the exact cell range highlighted, for example, A1D10. On the other hand, if a whole sheet is protected, you'll see the sheet's name instead. It's a small difference, but it helps you decide which kind of protection you're removing. Alright, let's say you're working with a protected sheet. Down at the bottom of your Google Sheets file, you'll see tabs with your sheet names. Find the one you want to work on and right-click on its name. This brings up a menu, and here you're going to look for the Protect Sheet option. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to the Protection Settings panel, which usually slides in from the right-hand side. Don't worry if it takes a second to load, especially if you're working with a big spreadsheet. Once you see that panel, keep an eye out for the section showing the protected items. It might list protected ranges and sheets together. If you're targeting a protected sheet, select that sheet from the list. Now in the top right corner of this panel, you should see a little trash can icon. That's your delete button. Click on that trash can to remove the sheet protection. You might get a confirmation prompt. Just click remove to finish the job. And that's it. The sheet is no longer protected, and you're free to make your edits. What if you only want to delete a protected cell range instead? The process is almost identical. Back in the Protection Settings panel, if you're not already there, you can get to it by choosing Data from the top menu, then Protected Sheets and Ranges. Find the protected range you want to remove. Again, it'll be listed by cell references like A1D10. Click on the range, and once again, you'll notice that trusty trash can icon in the top right. Just give it a click, confirm the removal, and your selected cells are now editable. A quick note, if you don't see the trash can or can't delete the protected range or sheet, double-check that you have edit access to the file. Only editors and owners can remove protections, so if you're stuck, reach out to the file owner. And there you have it. Managing protected ranges and sheets is all about knowing where to look and not being afraid to poke around those menus. If you found this step-by-step guide useful, please give the video a thumbs up. Got any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tips? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and happy spreadsheeting.